Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to show you guys the Horizon by Osburn. This is going to be the largest zero clearance, high efficiency wood fireplace available in the Osburn product line. Now this model is EPA 2020 certified, however it is not high enough efficiency to meet and qualify for the 26% tax credit. So again, this is a zero clearance model, which means it can be framed in right up directly to combustibles, as shown here with this nice beautiful wood trim around the unit. Here we have the unit shown in all black. It is available in a nickel finish as well, which would basically give you nickel accents up here at the top louvers, as well as nickel on the doors as well. As you can see, you have a nice wide viewing area, nice double doors on the unit. So inside the Firebox, you open it up here, you can see that the Firebox is fully gasketed and the glass is fully gasketed as well. You do have a nice large Firebox here. It does taper back towards the rear though, so probably at the rear of the unit you're going to get maybe like an 18 to 19 inch log. You do just have one single damper control located on the unit, which is going to be located at the bottom here, which essentially allows you to modulate from a low to a high setting. So again, this is going to be a high efficiency unit, which means it is designed to heat your entire house. This larger model, I believe, heats like 2,500 square feet. Depending on how well insulated your home is, you might even be able to heat possibly more than that. Again, that'll vary depending on climate, insulation, etc. Osburn does have a variety of heating options available on their fireplaces, including gravity kit options, which basically allows the heat to naturally rise and duct off the top of the fireplace. So if you had a bedroom located above the fireplace that you wanted to heat, that type of system will work without any type of electricity. It's all gravity fed. They do have forced air heating kits as well. Those are pretty cool options because they allow you to duct the heat off of the fireplace into another room and even like downwards into a basement up to 50 foot away from the fireplace. So nice variety of heating options. So this is the Osburn Horizon Zero Clearance Wood Fireplace. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, please don't forget, just give them a quick little thumbs up. That helps me out so much. Don't forget to click subscribe in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.